The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R has been designed to cross continents. This engineering marvel is ready to take on the most challenging of terrains with a chassis and power package for serious adventure touring. The same LC 875-degree V-twin engine is used as in the Super Adventure S, which is the 1301cc engine that pushes out 118 kW at 9,000 revs per minute and 138 Nm of torque at 6,500 revs per minute. The 1290 engine will require service every 15,000 km. Mated to the engine is a 6-speed transmission with a hydraulically actuated slipper clutch. Many of the engine parts have DLC or diamond-like carbon coating, which is a durable coating and improves performance of the engine. The 1290 engine is fitted with a lightweight forged pistons, which improves the high loading capacity of the engine. The Adventure R features 2 separate radiators instead of one unit. This aids in heat dissipation and improves all-round cooling. The air ducts have been designed to stream cool air to the engine, while also keeping the rider's legs cool. The air filter has been redesigned for easy accessibility and now has a vertical rib design opposed to a horizontal rib design. This design directs dust to the bottom of the airbox without getting stuck in the filter slats design. The Adventure R has a power-to-weight ratio of 0.482 kW per kilogram. This is thanks to a weight of 245 kilograms. The fuel consumption is 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers and gives you a tank range of about 377 kilometers. The Super Adventure R is fitted with a new lightweight chrome moly stainless steel trellis frame, fitted with laser cut tubes which is more durable and a stronger design. The steering head has been moved backwards by 15mm, which shortens the overall frame to aid in better cornering characteristics. The front engine mount has been rotated 2 degrees forward to aid in acceleration traction. The swing arm has been extended by 15mm to enhance tracking stability and to compensate for the shorter frame. The swing arm is a die-cast open lattice unit that retains the lightweight design and stiffness properties. Front suspension is fitted with a 48mm WP Explorer forks, which features split fork technology and new settings for off-road performance. For the rear, a high-end WP Explorer PDS monoshock has been fitted, which is fully adjustable in spring preload, rebound and compression, including high and low speed compression dampening. Also fitted standard is a WP steering dampener for high speed stability. High-strength aluminium handlebars have been designed to provide the rider with greater control and comfort. Front tire size is 120/70/019 and the rear is a 170/60/017 tire, which is fitted to a new robust aluminium rims made for KTM by Acront with an improved sealing system to make them 100% tubeless. Front brakes are 320mm diameter discs with radial mounted Brembo 4-piston calipers, and for the rear a 267mm diameter disc. Standard seat height is 880mm, which is fitted with high quality foam padding for extra comfort. The Super Adventure R is fitted with a newly designed 23-litre fuel tank which has 2 large fuel cells on either side of the bike, with an upper central fuel cell that supplies fuels to lateral units. Foot pegs can be adjusted to 2 riding positions. You can get a stock position and an optional 10mm higher and more backward riding position. The windshield has been designed in a wind tunnel for wind deflection and comfort at high speeds. Windshield adjustability is easy thanks to a right and left mounted hand wheel that adjusts the height by 55mm. The front headlight houses the radar sensors and LED lights as well as daytime running lights. The Super Adventure R is equipped with an all-new 7-inch TFT display which provides the rider with important information and makes adjustments to the active suspension on the go, all operated by a 6-way switch cube on the handlebar, which is also backlit for low light conditions. There is also a convenient compartment that keeps your smartphone safe and charged thanks to an integrated USB socket. Radar-based adaptive cruise control helps you with highway cruising on those long trips. Different rider modes can be tailored for easy adjustment to suit a range of rider conditions. The Super Adventure R is equipped with a motorcycle stability control system made by Bosch. Leaning cornering ABS works in conjunction with the MSC system, which allows a rider to maximize their brakes capabilities. A specific off-road ABS function will allow you to push the limits before any ABS system intervenes. Motorcycle traction control keeps the rear wheel in check if any slippage occurs thanks to calculations and adjustments made in milliseconds. This helps with straight line acceleration and cornering. MTC can be turned off for more hardcore off-roading. An off-road mode allows a rider to go on real adventures. With a ride-by-wire system, the off-road mode reduces the response on the throttle and limits the peak power output to suit off-road conditions. A tire pressure monitoring system is also equipped on the bike. Off-road traction control and off-road ABS allows the rider to lock and provide slippage at the rear wheel for more controlled fun. If you compare the Super Adventure R to the Super Adventure S, there are subtle changes between the two bikes. For instance, the suspension travel on the R is 220mm front and back, whereas on the S is 200mm front and back. Ground clearance on the R is 242mm, where on the S it is 232mm. Seat height on the R is 880mm, and that is fixed. That cannot be adjusted, whereas on the S it ranges from 849mm to 869mm. And I think with these two bikes, you really have to push them to their mechanical limits to actually see the difference between them. So for me personally, I would go for the Adventure S, mainly because you can adjust the seat height and that. But both bikes are more than capable of crossing continents, and I think it's just all up to personal preference, which one suits your pocket. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.